Are you looking for an easy way to remove recently played songs from your Spotify iPhone app? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it quickly and easily. In just a few quick steps, you can get rid of those unwanted songs from your list in no time. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the Spotify app, and at the top, it will show you your recently played songs. So the thing is that, there is no option in the Spotify app to completely get rid of this recently played songs section. But there are some settings that you can tweak to make it so that those recently played playlists, songs, and podcasts are invisible from the view of your public profile. So to do that, tap on this gear icon at the top right. And then tap where it says Privacy and Social. So now what you want to do next is toggle off these two options. Listening activity. Share what I listen to with my followers on Spotify. Recently played artists. Show my recently played artists on my public profile. Once you've toggled off those two settings, nobody will be able to see your recently played songs on your public profile. Another thing that you can do is toggle on this option. Private session. Start a private session to listen anonymously. Once you enable a private session, you can listen to whatever you want without having to worry about anyone seeing it. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.